Olive oil versus mustard oil, a comprehensive look at their cardiovascular benefits. When it comes to maintaining heart health, the choice of cooking oil often takes center stage in dietary discussions. The oils we use not only affect the flavor of our dishes, but can also have profound effects on our overall health, particularly cardiovascular well-being. Among the plethora of cooking oils available, olive oil and mustard oil are frequently highlighted for their potential cardiovascular benefits. Each oil boasts unique nutritional properties that cater to different culinary practices and health needs. The heart health benefits of olive oil. Olive oil, a staple of Mediterranean cuisine, is known for its impressive health benefits, particularly for the heart. Extracted from olives, this oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs, especially oleic acid. Research indicates that incorporating olive oil into one's diet can lead to lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, while maintaining or even increasing good cholesterol, HDL. This balance is crucial for cardiovascular health, as high levels of LDL cholesterol are a significant risk factor for heart disease. In addition to its fatty acid composition, olive oil is packed with antioxidants, including polyphenols and vitamin E. These antioxidants play a vital role in reducing inflammation, an important factor in the development of heart disease. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Florida, published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, found that diets rich in extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, resulted in significantly lower levels of LDL cholesterol in the bloodstream. The study underscored that dietary changes leading to increased EVOO consumption were associated with reduced cardiovascular risk factors, highlighting the oil's pivotal role in a heart-healthy diet. The unique benefits of mustard oil. Mustard oil, derived from mustard seeds, is another oil widely used in cooking, particularly in Indian cuisine. Known for its distinctive pungent flavor, mustard oil is rich in essential fatty acids, including alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, and omega-3 fatty acid, as well as omega-6 fatty acids. These fatty acids are crucial for maintaining heart health, as they help lower triglyceride levels and reduce the risk of blood clots, key factors in preventing heart disease. Moreover, mustard oil possesses natural antioxidants and exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, contributing to its health benefits. One of the notable features of mustard oil is its high smoke point, making it suitable for high-temperature cooking methods such as frying. This characteristic aligns well with traditional Indian cooking practices, where high-temperature cooking is common. However, the presence of erucic acid in mustard oil has sparked debate regarding its safety and potential adverse health effects. While moderate consumption of mustard oil is generally considered safe, excessive intake of erucic acid has raised concerns, leading to regulatory scrutiny in some regions. This has generated public debate about the cardiovascular safety of mustard oil, prompting consumers to weigh its cultural significance against potential health risks. Comparing the two oils, which is more heart-friendly? When considering heart health, olive oil emerges as the more universally recommended option, particularly for those seeking to improve their cardiovascular profile. Its composition of monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants makes it a suitable choice for various culinary applications, including dressings, dips, and low-heat cooking. The Mediterranean diet, which prominently features olive oil, has been associated with reduced cardiovascular disease risk, making it a go-to oil for heart-conscious individuals. On the other hand, mustard oil holds cultural relevance, especially in households across India, where it is a staple in traditional cooking. Its high smoke point allows for diverse cooking methods, and its unique flavor enhances many dishes. While it offers certain benefits, particularly for those consuming traditional Indian diets, it is essential to remain mindful of the concerns surrounding erucic acid. Both olive oil and mustard oil have their unique benefits and culinary applications. Olive oil is widely recognized for its cardiovascular advantages, rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that lower bad cholesterol and reduce inflammation. Alternatively, mustard oil presents distinct benefits, particularly in traditional Indian cooking, but requires caution regarding erucic acid levels. Ultimately, the best choice depends on individual dietary patterns, culinary preferences, and health goals. Incorporating a variety of healthy oils into your diet can provide a balanced approach to heart health, ensuring that you enjoy flavorful meals without compromising your well-being.